Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, smash that like button. But now let's talk about Near Protocol. Near Protocol is doing something that I think is being slept on and is being overlooked. I see your guys' comments. I know it's just so hard to keep up with the entire market, but guys, if you want to continue smashing that like button, subscribe, and sharing these videos, I will continue to bring out all these videos that you guys request. You guys need to realize it does take a lot of time, but I appreciate your support. So let's waste no more time and talk about Near Protocol. So if we're looking at Near Protocol on the daily time frame, it's up 11%, but let's forget about today's time frame. Let's look at it on the weekly time frame. It's up 60%, and on the monthly time frame, Near Protocol is up 110%. If you watch my Near Protocol updates over the past 2-3 weeks, some targets I was mentioning in those updates, and as a matter of fact, we are literally sitting on one of those targets as of today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So if we're looking at the price of Near Protocol, $3.73, up 11.6% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's up 11.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours as well. Market cap currently sitting at $3.75 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $400 million. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So let's talk about Near Protocol. One thing I want you guys to know is that you honestly at this point have to think Solana in one way. The reason as to why I'm saying this is because the way Solana has pumped up over the past 2-3 months has brought in a lot of eyes. And it hasn't just brought in a lot of eyes to Solana, it has brought eyes towards Solana competitors as well. And as you know, Near Protocol is a Solana competitor, as well as Cardano, as well as Avalanche. You guys get the idea as to what I'm saying. And Near Protocol is one of the projects. In terms of community, a lot of people are back, and a lot of people think that this is going to shock, people in terms of its price action and even its overall ecosystem. And I've mentioned to you guys literally a month back when I was making the Near Protocol updates, I'm like, at the end of the day, it's now the time where we do see these projects, these layer 1s, layer 2s battle it out with one another. And that's what we're seeing happening right now. We're seeing, the likes of Avalanche, Near Protocol, Solana, Cardano. There's like a battle going on in a way, if you know what I mean. And, ICP. This is the first time where we're going to see this battle really take place. And not is it just going to be a battle where we're only seeing, people investing money. We're going to see people actually trying to build on each of these, blockchains. And, Near Protocol is one of the ones some people really, really like. And I mentioned to you guys before, let's not sleep on Near Protocol. It's going to, pump up, especially if Sol, goes up. Like I said, we're going to see investors look for the other opportunity, and you can see this for yourself. It's been absolutely killing it. So let's take a look at the price right now. I'm going to give you guys my personal thoughts on the price, where I could personally see it going. If you're looking at the price right now, you guys can see pretty much since October. Now this is one thing I want you guys to focus on. October 20th was its absolute bottom at 97 cents roughly. And let's say you were dollar cost averaging. And speaking about dollar cost averaging, and people were dollar cost averaging in around that range. You guys can see just 3 days back, I wasn't able to make an update. I wanted to make this update for you guys. This resistance that I spoke to you guys about, in my previous updates, which was literally at $2.87. I told you guys the importance of this resistance because pretty much since the FTX crash, we haven't seen the price of Near Protocol actually breaking out of that resistance. But December 20th, which was 3 days back, was officially that day, and we did see this massive move after that. So, after breaking the resistance, even if you're dollar cost averaged and at the resistance, you're up right now 30%. So I'm sure people are starting to realize the importance of this resistance and how important it really was. And at my exact target, which was around $3.77, has come true. And now the question you guys might have, what is next? Are we going to see more upside for Near Protocol? Honestly, at this point, if the price holds around this resistance, that is going to be really, really nice to see, because this gives us an opportunity to start testing the waters of $4.40. And of course, if that is able to clear the 78.6 zone, and that is where the excitement really is for Near Protocol. If it wasn't for the FTX collapse, I've mentioned this, guys, in several videos, some of these projects would have not seen the likes of, $1.39 for Near. I think, would have been around this. I think it would have been hovering around this $2.80, possibly at $2. I don't think it would have dropped to 97 cents. But we've seen a lot of FUD come in around Near Protocol, as you guys know, and it's just not Near Protocol that has gotten FUD. It's a lot of other projects. Solana, Solana had so much FUD, and look at where Solana is right now. Let me give you guys a reminder. Sol is currently sitting at top 4 spot. And literally a year ago, no one wanted to touch Solana. What does this tell us? Literally, just go back a year, no one wanted to touch Sol. And just this summer, and just speaking about the summer, people are wishing that they could literally go back 2-3 months, 6 months back, where, SEC came out and said Solana is a security, and boom, the price dropped once again. But look where it's at now. So this should really give you an indication as to how important it is to believe in your project. If you've done your due diligence and research and you actually believe in the project, then patience is your #1 key to follow. I'm really, really liking the way Near Protocol has moved, and I'm not surprised at all. If you guys can literally go watch my old videos, I literally saw this move coming, and I think it's not over yet. I think the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level will be retested. And speaking about the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, that is an additional move of about 30%. We could see this happening as long as BTC does not decide to say goodbye and drop below the 38.2 zone. You guys know the importance of this 38.2 fib zone. Remember what happened on December 11th when we broke below. We saw BTC fall all the way down to 40,249. So we need to keep these factors in mind. Of course, we're in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation due to CME futures being closed. So these factors need to be considered right now. So if a BTC hovers around this range, actually continues to hold here, which it has been doing pretty much since December the 20th, I think the Near Protocol will start testing the $4.40, which is going to be really, really nice to see. So let me know down below what you guys think and what excites you the most about Near Protocol. That is what I want you guys to let me know. Of course, its all-time high, if you're new, was back in January, which was literally last year, last year, almost approaching 22 years now at this point. And you can see this for yourself. Is it 2 years or 1 year? 2022, 2023. Yeah, 2 years, guys. Look at my math is just all over the place. But you guys get the idea as to what is going on. So, $20.68 was its all-time high. So these are some factors you need to consider. Speaking about the previous move where we did see, Near Protocol hit in March 2021 its all-time high at around $6.65. We went all the way down to $1.60, and then boom, off we went straight to the $6.68. So basically, this is that resistance that you guys also want to be eyeing. But I'm going to be taking it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think and what excites you the most about Near Protocol. So I want to hear that from you guys in the comments, and also let me know if you guys want to see more updates. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.